Alright, those that have asked, I added a small single rail mount on each side. I bought these Woodriver mounts here. This rail, it actually has rails on all sides. 1, 2, 3, the sides, the bottoms. So you put the Woodriver mount here, and then it's got a rail mount here. It's very sturdy, and then you slide whatever accessories you want on there. I did add these lights I got at Walmart here, and I put on some eyelets there. You can put anything you want on there. I'm going to get a rod holder and put my net in one of those rails. It's very sturdy. I mean, I can literally lift the kayak from it. So that's my DIY captain's bridge.